Recognize that sound? It's cycling's next big thing. Introducing the AirLock, the world's first all-in-one bike pump and lock.
Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of the company Edellocks.
Over the last 3 years, Edellocks has used 3D printing to design and test AirLock's unique components.
The Patent Office has taken notice, awarding multiple patents to AirLock's unique features.
We designed AirLock to be strong and durable, using steel for the locking components and rugged plastics and aluminum for the pumping components. The AirLock has one opening for locking and pumping. To lock, insert the locking bolt into the opening. To unlock, insert your key into the lock and turn. When inflating a tire tube, use the same opening just like before. Now lift the lever to grip the tire valve. Another innovative feature is that the locking bolt is also the pumping cylinder. Pumping passes air through the tube, around the cable, and into your tire.
No longer must you keep up with both a pump and a lock. The AirLock fits neatly inside your bag or wraps around your frame. And you won't need to kneel down and struggle with a small pump. The AirLock's long cable allows you to stand and pump your tire. Edellocks will offer both Schrader and Presta valve versions of its AirLock. Back the AirLock on Kickstarter. Join our journey and get the AirLock before anyone else.